Okay, this video is going to be about the sound. This is an app and the sound comes from the speakers from the Macs. If I first connect it to the Macs, because this is a Logitech keyboard and I have 3 things Bluetooth connected, a laptop with that screen, a laptop with that screen, and my Macs. So there we are. That's the sound. I love this sound anyway. But this is not all. I would like to show so that you can hear quality sound of the Macs. Okay, let's see if we can have some music playing. There we are. There we have songs. Right. Artists. Yeah, there you go. One of my favorite albums. Let's play that. Okay. I don't think I can play that too long, otherwise we get in trouble with rights. This is maximum volume. Maybe I'm foolish, maybe I'm blind. That might already be too long. Okay, let's go now, because you know I don't have the Macs to play music. I have music players, but the best feature for what I use it for is reading, that it reads out to me if I want to sit back and just listen. Just organized my folders, and I must say I'm a bit lost. I messed it up a bit, I guess. Let me see. Maybe that one, Alice in Wonderland. Who likes a little bit of Alice in Wonderland? Here we go.
Feel very sleepy and stupid. Whether the pleasure of making a daisy chain would be worth the trouble of getting up and picking the daisies, when suddenly a white rabbit with pink eyes ran close by her. There was nothing so very remarkable in that, nor did Alice think it so very much out of the way to hear the rabbit say to itself, "Oh dear, I shall be too late." But when the rabbit actually took a watch out of its waistcoat pocket and looked at it and then hurried on, Alice started to her feet. For it flashed across her mind that she had never before seen a rabbit with either a waistcoat pocket
Timer.
or a watch to take out of it, and, burning with curiosity, she ran across the field after it and was just in time to see it pop down a large rabbit hole.
Speed adjustment.
In another moment, down went Alice after it. The rabbit hole went straight on like a tunnel for some way, and then dipped suddenly
Don't you just love it?
So suddenly that Alice had not a...
I do. Well, I hope you like this. Just to show people that the Macs has also fantastic speakers here. Thank you for watching.